Good evening friends, welcome back to my channel Breakout Trading. Please watch the video fully so that you will not miss any contents from the video. And today we will see the stocks which will be trending to enter on 27th of August, that is tomorrow. Okay, the first stock we are going to see is ACC Limited. Let's see how the stock was trading. This line is the resistance line where the stock has been returning, and the lower line is acting as the support line. If you see, it's coming from here, it's going here, it's coming from here, going, it's respecting the trend lines. Okay, from here it has come to here. So now in today's candle, the candle is totally rejected by the support trend line. So what we can expect tomorrow is that if a green candle is formed in a daily candle, that is in tomorrow candle, the stock will move upwards towards this trend line in the coming days. So we need to wait for a green candle to form tomorrow in the daily time frame, and when we should entry is above the day highs. If a green candle is formed tomorrow, the entry must be above the high of the tomorrow's candle, so that the stock will go up to 1520 to 26 ranges. This is for ACC. And the next stock we are going to see is Bharat Industries. We have actually seen this stock in the last week, I think so, in my previous videos. See how the stock has been trading. So I was telling that sorry, this is the resistance line. It was trading below it and it has given a breakout here. So the next resistance line is here. So the stock has respected it and again come down, and it has again gone to the resistance. It is trading near the resistance for 3 to 4 days, and today with a good volume a green candle is formed here. So what we can expect in the coming days is that the stock will go up provided there is a close above today's day high, that is 1411. So once a close is given above this resistance will act as a support. So the stock will retest the resistance and support, and then it will go up. This is for Balkrishna Industries. The next stock we are going to see is Cholamandalam Investment, that is Chola Finance. Let's see, the stock has been trading in between these two trend lines for the last 3 months, I think so. So what happened yesterday is the stock has given a good breakout from the trend line, that is the resistance line. So what we can expect in the stock is again it will touch the support line and after that it will go up. So we need to wait for a close above 243.65, which has given today. So it can be bought right away tomorrow, or we can wait till the stock touches the support and then goes back again. Normally once the trend line is broken, in this case it is resistance turned as a support, the stock will retest the trend line and then only it will go up. So anything is okay. We can buy above the high of the breakout candle, or we can wait for the retest of the support and then we can buy again. So this is for Chola Finance. The next stock going to see is RBL Bank. This is the resistance line at 194. So the stock was trading near the resistance like this, and it was spending some time here. So yesterday it has given a good green candle, and today a green candle has formed and a breakout is given. at the resistance level. Here also the volume is good compared to the previous days. So we can see that there is a lot of buying happening in the RBL Bank stock. So what we can expect is, once the resistance is broken, the stock will retest the support and then it will go up. So the good entry will be above today's day high, which is 201.9. So this is for RBL Bank. Okay friends, like and subscribe my channel so that you will not be missing any of the videos which I am posting in the coming days. Kindly share it to others so that others will also be benefited from the contents of the video. Thank you for your support friends. Thank you. See you in the next video.